So I've just discovered OBS Studio software, which enables me to do some slightly more advanced screencasting activities, and I've just been playing around to see what I can do with it in terms of my teaching. And I had a vision for trying to make the online Teams and Zoom tutorials a bit more interesting. So what I've done here is I've got a Word document with a green background, and then I've chroma keyed the green background out, and with a flick of a switch here it enables me to overlay the content that I've put on the Word document. But what this means is that I can now type. So I think the good thing about this is that it might make more engaging video tutorials. I think a weakness of this idea is that it could be a bit complicated to set up. Although once it's set up now, for me, I think I can use this much more easily. I can just change the contents for different tutorials. Opportunities, what I'd really like to do is try and get a collaborative document like Google, but I've struggled to work that out at the moment. But it would be really nice if all members of the tutorial could write on it. I can do this in slides, and we can do it in Google Docs, but I think sometimes where voice and personal contact and conversation is more important, I think taking a few notes, this could be a good way forwards. Some of the threats, could go really wrong, couldn't it? It just might not work. Once these are in here now, I can move them around as well, which if I want to surround my face in different content, then I could try that, but I'll try and keep that slightly simple. That's it. That's Word with a green background overlaid, and using two scenes in OBS Studio, which I've set up, and hopefully that works. And see what else I can come up with. Thanks a lot.